Okay, so this is Nicole attempting to fix her window that's been almost broken into. This should be funny. Let me get up here. Okay. I've never seen Nicole do
I hope I don't kill myself.
any kind of hard work. Oh, she broke a sweat, folks. But she still looks good. She's up on the ladder. She has a hammer and nails with her as well. So this should be really funny. Okay. Have you ever... Look at her hammer. Nicole, show the camera your hammer. That's a Nicole hammer. I need to turn the lights off because...
So messed up, man.
It's better.
How we do things in the jungle.
Margarita, out of the garbage. Margarita! Oh. Okay. I think you need some assistance here, folks. We'll get back to you.